Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this fun card that has a surprise in it with the Best Day stamp set. All right, here is my surprise Best Day card. I saw the stamp set and thought, oh my gosh, this is so much fun. I love the cat in the cupcake. I have a cat, so I think it's really fun. So I decided, hey, wouldn't it be fun if the cat popped out of the cake? Ta-da! Yay! So fun. So I'm going to show you how I made this card. So I'm using some of the Flowers and More Designer Series paper that you can find in the back of your mini catalog on page 90 that you can earn for free when you place a $150 order. It's $18, normally a $30 value. It has 48 12 by 12 sheets, so it's a really thick pack of paper, but it's got all the fun in colors from this year and fun designs. So I'm layering this 3 7/8 piece, 3 7/8 by 5 1/8 on a 4 by 5 1/4 piece of cardstock. So now I have one of the scalloped contours, scalloped rectangles, and the stitched rectangle that fits inside. I've also stamped the bottom of the cake and the top of the cat. And then I have a piece of thick white basic that is going to be our pull. And this is 5 1/2 by 3/4. And so we'll use this in a bit. So we're gonna stamp the sentiment, it's the best day because it's your birthday, right here at the bottom. Because we need room for the cake. And I think I'm actually gonna do the little sprinkles. I think for this card, I'm gonna do the confetti also in the Tahitian tide, so it stands out a little bit more. I think that's fun. And then I'm just going to use the cake for measurement here. If I put the cake here, then these little sparkler things will be right about there. And then it'll look like that's just the card, but of course we have a surprise inside. So we're gonna cut off the top of this cake so that it will fit our kitty cat. And then we've got our kitty cat here, and we're gonna color these with the blends. Okay, now I have all of my pieces ready. I've got my cat colored, I've got my cake. I'm just gonna do a little trimming of the top because the cat's gonna come up through the top of the cake. And I'm gonna trim my cat a little bit. Yes, my cat is a little bit fat. So I just need to trim the cat just a little bit on. All right, I'm gonna put some glue dots on the cat and the tail and put this on a circle. This is just gonna help so that things don't get stuck. So after I placed the cat I'm just going to use this strip to adhere to the back of the cat so I can pull the cat up out of the cake. And I'll just trim off the bottom there. And then I'm going to use foam strips as a guide for my pull tab. And then I'll just use some more foam strips for each corner and also for the bottom there to create a stop for the pull tab. And then I can remove the backings on all of them and adhere it to the center of the card. And then check out my mechanism. And there we have our cat surprise card.